Hello there and welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this video we have some new news for you about TOMA. Yes, the TOMA pre-listing turbo pool is now open. Alright, so I'm going to read what is here and then we explore it to see what we can make of this before the listing happens in 10 days time. Yes, TOMA listing is in 10 days time, precisely on the 20th of December. And so here we have some good information that you can actually explore and exploit to your own benefit. What is it about? That is the TOMA pre-listing turbo pool. Don't miss it. Stake for 14 days to earn an extra 52,259.26 TOMA and enjoy 219% APY. Now, this is for me, and you're going to let me know in the comments what your own offer is. For me, this is what I'll be getting, the extra I'll be getting, I believe. Or let me know in the comments if it's the same as mine. Okay, so if I stake my TOMA for 14 days, meaning if I stake it today, 20th of December will be 10 days. So by the 24th of December, I'm free to unstake. And I'll be receiving extra 52,259 TOMA. And currently, TOMA pre-listing is trading, pre-market rather. The TOMA pre-market is trading currently on Bitget at 0.0008. All right. At some point yesterday, it hit 0.001. So you know what it means if I get extra 52,000. Let me just use 52,000 TOMA at 0.001. All right, that'll be $52. And now if you have 500,000, you know what that means. So let's you have 500,000 and it comes out at 0.001. That will be $500, right? Okay, so let's go and look at this. Okay, so now the best way to grow your TOMA bag for free. So I'm going to tap on join now. Okay, so you see what TOMA has been doing for others, TOMA wants to do for TOMA, right? Okay, let's see. Let's look for it. And okay, this is the farming pool, and what's getting calculated here is this is the red pocket. That is there. So how do we get into this? Let me see. All right, so now I won't withdraw, so that means I'm going to be staking. Okay, let me go back still. I still am searching for whether there's any other thing to do outside of that. But before I get back to that, let me quickly claim my harvest because I need to get some stars because I need to upgrade also. Let's start farming. I need to upgrade. So let me also come here and check for some tasks I can complete right now. I think there's one task here. Oh, this one now follow. Leave this one. I will do that later on. So, okay, this is 19. Let me play a drop game and take this to, let me take that to 20,000 so I can buy one star. All right, so let's check now. I think I have over 20,000. This is 21,000 now. So let's see. I upgrade. I rather convert. Let's swap to one star. All right. Next, let's go back to here. Let me see how many. I have 2 stars there now. And check here. Okay, I'll need 6 more stars to upgrade. 6 more stars. So I have just 2 here now. Okay, let me level up with this. So I know I need just 4 more stars. And of course, I know that is going to be completed before, by the time I complete today's task. That's except they're not going to give it to us today. All right, that's the combo. By the time the combo completes today, I should be able to get that. So now I will do this one later on. Okay, so I'm still looking. Okay, let's go back to farming pool. So apparently, okay, here is it now. TOMA staking is open now. So I can tap here, 219%. So how many TOMA per day, current production speed. So I got a stake. So just go ahead and read. Yeah, TOMA pre-listing turbo pool. So the start time is today, 10th. All right, 1800 project TGA time 20 December. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and stake, and I'm staking everything. Okay, so let's put the max. Okay, good. All right, so everything is staked now. Okay. All right, so it's staked now. So you can go ahead and stake your TOMA so to get the TOMA rewards on the 24th of December. So we are staking for 14 days. Okay, 10 days, 14 days. Okay, so that's the 14 days I'll make it to become 52,000. All right, so that is what it is. Go ahead, give this video a like, leave a comment. What's the promise on your own, right? How many are you getting? How many are you staking? And what do you think about this? Let me know in the comments. Also, remember to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And let's see you in the next. Thank you, and God bless you.